We are SnapPower, the team that brought you the SnapPower GuideLight, the world's first ever easy-to-install nightlight built into an outlet cover. Since launching on Kickstarter in 2014, we've shipped millions of GuideLights to homes all over the country. But why stop there? So we asked our customers what they want next, and the response was unanimous: motion-activated GuideLights. So we took that and made something even better. This is the SnapPower ConnectLight, a motion-activated nightlight built into an outlet cover. It installs over any outlet in seconds and turns on when motion is detected. But the real beauty of the Connect is that with the flip of a switch, it connects to other Connect lights throughout your home, up to as many times as you want. That means when one Connect detects motion, it activates other Connects in your home, creating a perfectly lit pathway to where you want to go before you're even there. Or switch it to sleep mode and have the Connect tell the others to light up without coming on at all. This is perfect when you want it dark in your room, but want other areas of your home to light up when getting out of bed. Or just connect them all and light up your entire home when motion is detected. And you can customize the Connect to fit your style. With time control, you can choose how long you want the lights to stay on: 15 seconds, 1 minute, or 5 minutes. With brightness control, you choose the amount of light that's best for you. And with zone control, you can set your Connect lights to separate zones. Set one area of your home to Zone 1 and another to Zone 2 to have them light up separately. This lets you light up just the parts of your home you need without disturbing others. The Connect also detects daylight, so it stays off during the day and blends in with your home. Plus, it always leaves both outlets free for use. Basically, it does whatever you want. And with its easy install design, you just swap out your old cover for the new one. So simple, a monkey could do it. Literally. So the only thing you'll have to think about is replacing it in 25 years. Don't get left in the dark. It's time to upgrade your home and get the connected pathway lighting you deserve. Order today on Kickstarter and enjoy some of our lowest prices ever. SnapPower ConnectLight. Simple, connected, pathway lighting.